Okay, Madeleine, we're going to a local Hammam. Hammam. The woman is gonna scrub me and get rid of my dead skin. Yeah. Just leaving Nordine's house, heading to Swera. And it's very local. You wouldn't see any tourists going here. But it's super cheap. It's for nothing. I mean, talking €5 maybe for a hammam, compared to paying €30 in a touristy place. Found a turtle. Oh my god. What do we do with it?
I'm not your prisoner in your cold war anymore.
What do we do with a turtle?
I don't know.
What am I supposed to do?
Come
Found a turtle. The poor thing. I don't know whether to put it back in the sea or let him do his own thing.
Came from.
I don't know where it came from.
Let
We
it
need to
go.
ask somebody, maybe they know.
Oh my gosh.
Yo! Salam alaikum. Salam.
All undone.
What do you want to take a picture?
So we didn't have to hurt this bad. I don't say
Salam alaikum, sir. How's business? Doing good? You're here every day. Every day you're here. I see you every day here. Yeah. Let's do the local Hammam and let's talk about our experience. How was it, Madeleine?
That was so nice.
It's nice, isn't it? I feel really refreshed.
All scrubbed and all.
You look like a new person.
A bit retro.
I mean, what was your favourite thing about that experience?
Scrubbed the life out of you.
I know, yeah. It's like a baby, it's like baby skin now. It's so soft, it's so soft.
Retro.
I know, it's all part of the process. It was super cheap though, yeah.
Oh yeah, it was super cheap. We paid
It was like €8 each, total.
€8 each.
Even with the materials,
With the materials.
the glove, the soap.
Glove, the soap. They put like the soap on you.
But if you have your own stuff before you go, it should be only €6.
So for the locals, it's like 120, like €1.20, because they have all their stuff and they go in and with a friend or with their sister and they do it like each other.
Yeah.
But
It's interesting, isn't it? Not
like,
quite, not
we
as normal
paid-
in Europe.
We paid for someone, so basically we paid like €5 more, but someone does it to us. So you just lie there and someone like puts the soap on you, someone scrubs on you. It's kind of like, I mean, you have to be open for that. You can't be that
Yeah, you're
shy
not used to
because
that.
you're naked and they scrub on you.
Lovely.
you should know why. My Gemini, go, go, my love, my I don't do this now. I don't do this now. You should know why. My Gemini, go, go, my
Assalamu alaikum. Shukran. Assalamu alaikum. How are you, sir? Take a seat. Yeah. Thanks, man. Chicken beers, yeah. Sounds good. Everybody should check this place out. If you're on a budget, it's definitely the place to go. 40, isn't it? 40, yeah. 40 dirhams. Where would you get that? 45, not bad. Thank you, sir. 3.50, €3.50. See ya. Going to Abdil to have a cup of tea. Abdil! I see you! Crazy Moroccan. Mr. Abdil. Mr. Abdil, the crazy Moroccan. Ah, so cute. Put her from under her mother, yeah? Pretty good, pretty good. You feeling good, Nuruddin?
Feeling much better, man. We are going to the sunset in Takos now.
Takos.
Oh yeah,
Takos.
I know you.
Yeah, finishing the whole day off with a beautiful sunset on the beach. Oh yeah, oh yeah. This is what we do in Morocco. Full up. You know. You look like twins.
We do, yeah?
Alright, get me one down, yeah, go on.
Yes, I will. There's one.
Put one on my head. I want to look like a Moroccan. Have to blend in! Have to blend in! Yep, yep! What's up, what's up, what's up? Where would you see a sunset like this, Madeleine? This is a movie beach. This is a movie beach right now. This is beautiful. Oh my god. Oh my god.
What's up, my man? How is life?
Beautiful.
Life is good?
You happy?
Having a good day. Yes, I am happy. How about you? Are you happy?
Pretty happy, yeah.
Do you feel happy?
I'm alive, I'm awake, you know.
Glen.
Salam alaikum, Mr. Cowboy. Mr. Cowboy.
Yes, how are you?
How's it going?
Good. How is your day, man?
You're the cowboy of City Cokie.
Yes, my friend. Cowboy from City Cokie.
Hello, sir. How's it going?
He's from Paris.
You good, boss?
From Paris.
Ça va? Don't even speak French, but. Oh, perfect, man.